Semi nikobono ekiombe gya Jacob Leaders Africa kubwatarana ne University ya Kisii ritukoria rero bachakia senchira bene OMOROBERIO BWOKOEGERIA Abaorokigwa University eyo chinchira chokonyora emirimo okorenda ebintu bitwetanaine no gonchoreria ase enchira okonchoreria kwerire bose Green Careers Caravan Sara bogonko noyo mobwa babwatani bekiombe ekyo oyo ereire obuya bw'OMOROBERIO yo boigo mutenderi kurwa se abisio moriki obotambe se abisi yegisemi CHIEKERERO consolata nigobono nere hakwanire IGORO y'EMOROBERIO yo kwenekia basayenko enyorera bare emireme yo ngabono nagosiria kurwa bose kosiria obasemeria kurwa se serikali yo guchokobarika emirema sense mu University ya Kisii Dr. Roda Uma uyo tendrete hoboyana ne bw'echikosi au nigobono aikere buna bose nigayane kire buna university yo nigo yakorera monchoria se chikosi egento kirache kokonya Abaorokigwa abo Bethel Machini no robot rwa century wekera
kiumbe kya Jacob's Ladder Africa kubwaterana ni University ya Kisii nigo ritukuria rero bachakiri OMOROBERIO BWOKOEGERIA Abaorokigwa be University yo chinchira chokonyore mirimo ekorende bintu bitwetanaine no gonchira kwerire gose Green Careers Caravan.
Say green. No, shout green.
Sera bogongo no yomubo bwatani bekiumbekyo oyo ereiro bya OMOROBERIO yiga.
And today we are here in Kisii University as the flagship of the Green Careers Caravan. The Green Careers Caravan is basically an advocacy initiative to be able to create awareness amongst young people, both in university and in TVETs later on, to be able to make sure that they know what opportunities are available in the green economy. They range across the whole sector, all the sectors, ranging from renewable energy, agriculture, waste management, and the list goes on and on.
Okwana boigo nigo moteni kurwa bisio morike butamba se abisi gisemi CHIEKERERO consolata lau nere boigo akwana IGORO y'EMOROBERIO yo kwenekia basahi nkwenyorera bare mirimo yiga amunogosiro kurwa se serikali.
The Green Careers Caravan aligns with the government strategy of creating jobs. And especially because in the country now, we are strategizing on how to plant 15 billion trees by 2032. We have to do this so that the youth can also get employment, and not only employment, in this particular initiative, the youths are being taught how to start jobs by themselves, not waiting for government to give them any work. Apart from that, there are strategies which are in place that enables or ensures that at particular time when the youths are in need of capital, they can be given through the government's initiative of supporting the youths, that is in terms of loans.
Since moye University ya Kisii nigo Dr. Roda Ondimu otende tobwena niwe chikosi ayenekire na igo buna University yo yakorera monchoria chikosi eri gokonya Abaorokigwa ase EMOROBERIO nkabune yiga.
Our curriculum is now going through a lot of transformation for assimilation and accommodation. Try as much as possible to have our students, right from the time they come into the time they leave, be able to learn about the opportunity available, especially in the green careers, so that they can begin to find the right skills to be able to prepare them for this particular opportunity that are available.
So beyond this is just activation, but the idea is to enroll them, to get them into the job market by preparing them mentally and also skills-wise for them to be able to participate and get jobs, but also become employers.
Since moigati Abaorokigwa na boigo bago kire Amaegerio yiga.
The main thing that I'm learning from it is about job creation from the different fields or from the different schools that we are in. Regardless of the course that you're taking right now, there is a career for you in the green economy because it includes everyone regardless of what course you majored in, and you can actually incorporate what you learned here in school as your course into the green economy and into the green jobs.
Green Career Canvas is helping us get to know how we can create jobs in the after finishing our school and be able to work on ourselves and employ ourselves.
Kuripoteria Soko TV kurega University ya Kisii, County ya Kisii, Bethel Machini.